Good morning everyone. My name is Aniket Kumar. I study in class 5A1. Today I am going to telling you about reading. Reading is the best practice, whether it is reading a book or anything else. Reading is not only for improving thoughts, but it also develop our perspectives. By reading, people's mind moves toward positivities and serious thoughts. It actually changes the way to see the world. Reading keeps our mind active than others.
It also
gives us knowledge about many things. Reading anything is helpful. When you take interest in reading books, your creative ability is start developing. It prompts you for focus on right path instead of choosing wrong path. Conclusion: reading for 30 and 35 minutes in a day can you take to higher level. So I suggest you to read whatever you love to read on daily basis.
It will always
give you an advantage, whether it is a matter of success or bright future. Reading or any other things.
Reading books
Or other things will make you more relaxed than spending your free time. Thank you. Have a nice day.